how to fix if do not disturb keeps turning on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and here click on do not disturb, and if you have enabled schedule do not disturb, then the do not disturb will turn on automatically. So to fix this do not disturb keeps turning on automatically issue, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off scheduled do not disturb, the issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated to the latest version, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating the software, the issue will be 100% fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Honor 200 will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.